Hello everyone. The context of this video is all about what I've learned in chapter 18, the roles of safety officer in the construction. Safety officer in the construction industry play a crucial role in keeping everyone safe. They inspect work areas to make sure they're safe and follow safety rules. They teach workers about safety procedures and how to use safety equipment like helmets and harnesses. Safety officers also investigate accidents to find out what went wrong and how to prevent it in the future. They work closely with managers and workers to make sure everyone understands the importance of safety. Being a safety officer requires good communication skills and attention to detail. It's important to stay updated on safety regulations and best practices to keep up with changing needs. Overall, safety officers are like guardians on construction sites, ensuring that everyone goes home safely at the end of the day.